Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a Valentine's design, but we're going to do it really cute, inspired by the Heart Sweets. So because we're using gel polish, I'm going to use a base coat. I'm going to base coat all 5 nails because we're going to do this design over all 5 nails. You just want a nice thin coat on all 5 nails. Make sure when you're pulling the product down, you cap the end and pop those into the LED lamp for 1 minute. I'm going to do a full colour on this nail using Barbie Girl. Just going to bounce up and drag that down. I'm just going to do a semicircle here with that colour as well. And on this one. And I want this to be nice and neat here, because we'll do another one here which will make it look like a love heart, but we will use a different colour for that. So pop those into the lamp and get those curing. So into LED lamp for 1 minute. While that's in, I'm just going to mix some paler shades. So we've got Lavish Lavender that I want to make a little bit lighter, and also Pool Party. Then with some of the white, I'm going to lighten those up. Just going to mix those two together so we get a pale lilac. I'm going to do the same again with this colour. Remember I said I was going to do another one here, so we're going to use the brush for this because we're going to go doing this semicircle. I want a bit more control because we're coming around the edge of the pink. So you can see how you've got like a little heart shape as well at the tip there. I'm going to do a semicircle here, keep it nice and neat at the cuticle. Then with this colour, we're going to do a heart at the bottom. I'm going to cure that before the gel starts to move. Now we're going to use some of the lilac now that we've mixed. And I'm going to do the same as before but lower down. So we've got like a tiered effect, it's quite cute. So this is a very cutesy design. Keep everything nice and pretty and cute. And we're going to put some on here. They can go into the lamp now. I'm going to put the second coat of this pale lilac that we've mixed over the top again. Just a second coat to make it nice and bright. Oh, they'll be good enough to eat these, these nails. So with just a little quackers, we're going to do one of the shapes here for the Love Heart Sweeties. And just keep moving it out till you get it perfectly round and as big as you want it. So pop them into the lamp and we'll cure those. So with a bit of white, we're going to put some white ones on as well. Don't be afraid to overlap. Still keep it nice and neat at the cuticle. The thumb needs a little bit of pink on. Put that on there. So we're using the gel polish as the main colours, and the detail we're going to do with acrylic nail art paints. Pop those in and cure those. You'll need a second coat because when you're overlapping you don't want the other colour that's underneath to show through. And I'm going to put another coat on the yellow. Now I've made sure I've not touched the white because that's still wet, so I was very careful. Now they can go into the lamp.